Hello everyone, today we are going to do a simple experiment called Tyndall Effect. I have 3 beakers here. The first beaker contains salt water. I dissolve some table salt in water. The salt has completely dissolved, forming a true solution. The particles are so tiny they are practically invisible. Next we have milk and water. Milk is a classic example of a colloidal solution. It contains tiny fat and protein particles suspended in water. These particles are larger than those in a true solution, but they don't settle out. They are just the right size to scatter light. Finally, let's look at this third beaker. It's a soil mixed with water, a perfect example of suspension. The particles are much larger than in other two mixtures, and if left alone, they would settle to the bottom. If we see, in a true solution, flashlight should not scatter. As you can see, the light goes straight through. The salt particles are too small to scatter the light, so we don't see a visible beam. There is no Tyndall effect. In next, as you can see, they are just the right size to scatter light. A distinct glowing beam becomes visible inside the liquid. See that a brilliant beam of light, the suspended particles in the milk are scattering the light, making the path of the beam visible. This is the Tyndall effect in action. Finally, let's look at this third beaker. The light beam is very bright and scattered. Look at how brightly the light is scattered. The large soil particles are scattering the light in every direction. The path is even more visible than the milk. This is also the Tyndall effect, just with much larger particles. So there you have it. The Tyndall effect helps us distinguish between a true solution, a colloidal and a suspension simply by observing how they are interact with light. The next time you can see a dusty sunbeam, you will know exactly what's happening. Thanks for watching.